My name is Arnold Rangakuramia and this is Kisembo Business. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this YouTube channel, I talk about business-related content. I record tutorials for those that are doing financial accounting. There are tutorials on the channel for financial accounting. Those that are doing quantitative techniques or quantitative methods, there are tutorials on the channel for that purpose. Those that are practicing taxation in Uganda, there are tutorials on taxation on the channel. And there are some business-related books and videos on the channel. If there is any other kind of content that you would like to watch on the channel, always feel free to let me know in the comment section below. So with that being said, be sure to go out to the playlist tab. Once you get to the playlist tab, check out the playlists that are there, check out the videos that are on the channel. If you feel that the content on this channel resonates with you, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button and share the video links with your friends so that they benefit from this content. My name is Arnold and this is Kisembo Business.